Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Charity Go crossovers ang NLEX Lead Chameleons 25-22, 26-24, 25-12. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Shaya Adorador sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 13 attacks, 1 ace, 11 digs at 3 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Robles ng 15 points, Galang 15 points, Gaston 7 points, Sato 3 points, Bicar 1 point, Dapol 1 point, Rodriguez 1 point. Para naman sa natalong NLEX Lead Chameleons, nagtala si Laure ng 15 points, Parmentella 12 points, Lona Lumahan 5 points, De Los Reyes 5 points, Ebon 3 points, Makaslang 3 points, Atienza 3 points, Maraginot 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Signal HD Spikers kontra sa Capital One Solar Spikers 25-21, 22-25, 25-17, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Don Makandili Katindig sa likod niya kanang 18 digs at 7 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Gandler ng 21 points, Lalongisip 15 points, Doria Aquino 18 points, Fernandez 8 points, Aconya 5 points, Conada 2 points, Abel 2 points, Santos 2 points, C 1 point, Cayuna 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagtala si Genesis ng 12 points, Laila Cruz 12 points, Clemente Di Guzman 7 points, Alvarez 6 points, Orindain 5 points, Ginoo 3 points, Ipak 3 points, Tolinada 1 point, Makatuno 1 point. Heto ang team standings ng play-in tournament as of March 6, 2025. Sa Group A, Signal HD Spikers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Sa Group B naman, Charity Go Crossovers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. NLEX Lead Chameleons 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 11, 2025 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena. Maghaharap ang Farm Fresh at Charity Go Crossovers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Zeus Thunderbells at Signal HD Spikers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.